Amazing. I mean, this is more people than we've had down here, even at Christmas, I think. So these kind of events are vital, I think, for getting people to know what we've got, what's here, you know, what we set, well, just what businesses are here. So it really is, it's fantastic when we get stuff like this. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah.
Stop your sighing, be happy again.
Doing events like this in Lowestoft and the local area brings back all of the traditions and things. It's a history lesson for children. It's, you know, it's memories for older people and everybody in between. Like, somebody just came to us earlier and said, this reminds me of my grandparents, and that, like, when I was little, this is the kind of music we used to listen to, and it gave us goosebumps. So yeah, bringing all of this back and the heritage of the area is just fantastic for the area. It's fantastic for the people to enjoy.
It's boosted morale a lot, I believe. I think so. Everybody's had a lovely day. Everybody's smiling, happy. Of course, the weather helps, but yeah, it's been very good.
Brilliant. Yeah, I'd say that as well. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
really.
It's lovely. We live here. We weren't expecting this. We didn't know anything about it, did we, Beryl?
No, we didn't.
But we saw their first half, or most of it, and it was absolutely brilliant. So we've come back for the second half.
How's about a corner with the table for two, where the music's mellow with some gay rendezvous. There's a chance to dance when I blew out at you. You've got to do some dancing to get in the mood.
Had a brilliant weekend, and I've met lovely people, and they've been so friendly. Thank you so much to the Seagull for putting this event on.
Now for us, Lowestoft, I mean, it need more things like this just to bring the locals into the town. Because we used to, I mean, I've been here all my life, and there's just not enough going on. And so for this to happen, this is really exciting.
The event today just brings living history back to life. People taking part from all different communities, dancing, clothes from the era, performers, taking part as a community of Lowestoft.
Weather, that's lovely. Come from the Claremont Road down to here, absolutely beautiful. Really enjoying it. Very lively.
It's been really busy. Nice to see something going on down there. Amazing. Brings everybody together. Really nice to see.
The community's come together as a whole. I think it's really lovely just to see everyone out and about after COVID, after these 2 long years of being inside.
See people dancing on the street, it's just not something you usually see.
It's such a lovely, just to watch in general, it's so lovely to see people happy and
Now it's like I'm on a mission, headed everywhere. And if it takes a little long and it feels a little wrong, who cares? My baby fits the description, he does it easily. When he dances, I can hardly breathe. Someone call the doctor, need some help to rescue me.